Hello everyone, welcome to the Maracas TV show. Welcome to my kitchen, guys. Today I'm making okra soup, the village way, the traditional way that I grew up eating. So join me in my kitchen. I'm washing my hand because I chopped the okra. So I chop one of this ball and this one almost a half, 1.5. So I put it in water. So that's okra in water. That's how we cook in the village. Just okra in water, boil it until it's soft. Some okra here look different. I did not see it when I was cutting it. So, I think the water seems to be too less, but anyway, I'm gonna let it to cook like that. So while this is boiling, I'm gonna put this in a garbage and wash it. Let it boil first. So the okra is still boiling here. I'm gonna put that side to boil there because I want the onion to be closer by me when I'm cooking. There goes extra virgin olive oil. Mm. Okay, so this okra that I'm cooking, the village way okra cooking, we used to eat like meat. For us, it was very very delicious. You know, the onion is cooking so fast. So I'm gonna add that 2 tomatoes. Mostly we were growing the cherry tomato, cherry tomato. So we just take it and squeeze it inside there. I don't know why we are growing cherry tomatoes on it. These bigger tomatoes, we didn't have it. This is just a small green, red and yellow pepper. Yeah, I think this tomato is enough. Now we'll put the garlic powder because it has salt in it. Or I put just a little salt because when I add the garlic to look. So now we wait for this tomato to cook before you can add onto the okra. Okra. So I start with cumin, a little bit cumin. I actually like cumin in okra. Garlic. I don't know where the onion powder is. Okay, I'm gonna put chili pepper, guys. Chili. I bought a dry one and I grounded it. I hope it's not that much. Okay. I'm gonna put some oregano. You can put curry powder too. I did not put curry powder. That is a chicken stock, chicken flavor. Just a little bit. So I'm gonna put a little drop of water so that it's good. See the okra, and I just add. I don't know if the tomato is too much. I will now add more water here to rinse. I didn't want it to be dissolving, but it's kind of. Okay, so I'm gonna let it cook for 5 minutes. Or, yeah, 5 minutes, then I will be done with it. And put, guys, the okra is ready. Okra is ready. I'm just gonna boil this water. Then after I put the water for girl. For now, I'm boiling this water. I need this hot water.